Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. We are back again with another job update for all of you, and this update is coming from Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Kochi Refinery. So they are inviting online application from eligible engineering graduates passed during the year 2019, 2020, 21, 22 and 23. That is, if you are completing your graduation in 24, you are not eligible. Only those who have passed during 2019 to 2023 are eligible. They can undergo 1 year of apprenticeship training under the Apprentices Amendment Act of 1973. Okay. Now, they have 42 vacancies for chemical, 9 for civil, 10 for CS, 11 for electrical and EEE, 11 for safety, 30 for mechanical, 9 for instrumentation and 3 for metallurgy. So this is 1 year training, okay, at BPCL. The monthly stipend will be 25,000, duration will be 1 year, and you will be posted at the Kochi refinery. The minimum qualification is you need to get 60% marks. That is the cumulative marks from a recognized Indian university. For SC, ST, PWBD, this is 50%. Okay. If your college provides you CGPA, OGPA, YGPA, DGPA, then if your percentage of marks is not furnished in the certificate, okay, so your college needs to provide a certificate for conversion of the CGPA or the pointer to a percentage. Okay, you need to have a documentary proof how you are converting your pointer to percentage, and that document should be provided by your college. The age minimum is the 18 years and the maximum is 27 years on 1st of September. Reservation, basically the standard reservation for SC, ST, OBC, PWBD will be followed. Duration will be 1 year. Previous training experience, okay. If you have 1 year or more experience of apprenticeship training, you are not eligible to apply. If you already have experience of training, you are not eligible to apply. Selection procedure is very simple, bacho. You just will be shortlisted on the basis of the marks that you have obtained during your college examination. In your college exam, how many marks you have obtained, on the basis of that, you will be shortlisted for interview, okay. And final merit list will be based on the marks obtained in the interview, okay, and the qualification examination, that is your college exam. So cumulative they will take from the college exam and what, and your interview, okay. On the basis of that, they'll prepare the final merit list. Now, for students who have not enrolled in the national web portal, most of the students would not have enrolled. Go to this website nats.education.gov.in, click student, click on student register, complete the application form. You will get a unique enrollment number. Now, after completing the enrollment login, search Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Kochi Refinery, click apply. After successful application, please email the following details of klplacement@boatsrp.com. You have to mention the name, month and year of passing, date of birth, percentage of marks, reservation, PWBD, yes or not, address, state, mobile number and the email ID. Okay, that all you have to mail to them. Boarding or lodging they will not provide, that you have to arrange from yourself. Okay, online applications have already started from 30th of September and they will be closing by 15th of September. So if you are looking out for an apprenticeship training for 1 year, this can be a good opportunity for you, because your resume will become enhanced. Your resume value is going to increase if you are associated with one of the central PSUs. Okay. All these are general details given, beta. You can go through these details, but the major details I have already covered. So this was the notification that was released by BPCL, and I hope that this notification, this video reaches somebody who is looking out for such kind of an opportunity, somebody who is in need for such kind of opportunity. So do check it out, guys. And if you are preparing for GATE 24 or GATE 2025, then you can become a part of Exam Dost. You can make us a part of your journey, so that we all can work together and make sure that you become really successful. And for that, right now we are running a 30% discount on the Lakshya June batches. You just have to visit our website or app and use the code ED30. Also, we have launched a comprehensive course of power system on which we are giving 20% off. You just have to use the code PS20. And in case you have any queries or you wish to talk to me, message on our WhatsApp number 7089047561. So that's it from my side. We also have a beta test series running on our app and website. You can also purchase our test series. Okay. On that also we are giving 10% discount. So you can join our batches. You can join our individual subject wise courses or you can purchase our test series. Thank you everybody.